Hello student, this is Om Prakash Yadav. Today we are going to solve one numerical problem on uncoupled locomotive. One numerical problem on uncoupled locomotive. So let us see. So you can take a snapshot of this question. Okay, don't worry, I am going to read this question. So here we are going to present the position of the plane, here angular position of the masses, and here in this table we are going to present the data and I will do the calculation. Okay, so let us see that this is what C and D are the cylinder. This is inside cylinder locomotive. Cylinder 1 is here, cylinder 2 is here. So at C and D is cylinder 1 and 2. So this is inside cylinder locomotive. So cylinder is inside to the driving wheel. So this A and B is the driving wheel. A and B is the driving wheel. Okay, balancing mass should be put in the plane of A and B. That is with the plane of driving wheel to balance A. Now let us read the question. A two-cylinder uncoupled locomotive has inside cylinder 70 centimeter apart. So distance between the two cylinder is 70 centimeter, that is 0.7 meter. The crank are at right angle. If a crank of this cylinder number 1, that is C, is along the positive x-axis, then crank of cylinder 2 will be at 90 degree, that is along the positive y direction. So this is for C and this is for D, that is for cylinder 1 and for cylinder 2. Okay, the mass of the revolving part per cylinder is 160 kg. So mass of rotary part is 160 kg per cylinder. They have given for one cylinder, and the mass of the reciprocating part per cylinder is 180 kg. As 180 kg. Okay, whole of the revolving mass and 2/3 of the reciprocating mass to be balanced. So total rotary mass you have to balance, and only 2/3 of the reciprocating mass you have to balance. So if 2/3 of the reciprocating mass is balanced, means C is equal to 2/3. What is this C? Fraction of the total reciprocating mass, which should be balanced. Okay, and the balancing mass are to be placed in a plane of rotation of driving wheel at a radius of 80 centimeters. So balancing mass should be placed in a plane of driving wheel, that is in A and B at a radius of 80 centimeter, that is 0.8 meter, 0.8 meter, 0.8 meter and 0.8 meter. The driving wheel are 2 meter in diameter and 1.5 meter apart. So distance between these two driving wheel, that is between A and B, is 1.5 meter. This is 0.7. So this distance will be 0.4 and 0.4 because they are equally spaced. So that will be 0.4 and 0.4. This is 1.5, this is 0.7. So this and this will be 0.8. That is 0.4 and 0.4. Okay, that is given. Let us see that what they are asking. So he is asking find the magnitude and the position of the balanced mass. So he is asking what is the balancing mass unknown, that is MA and MB, and what is its angular position. What is the angular position of mass A and B? Its magnitude and its angular position they are asking. The crank rotates at 300 rpm. So speed of the crank N is equal to 300 rpm. So this can be converted into radian per second just by this formula 2 pi n divided by 60. So 300 divided by 60. So how much you are getting? This 0 gone. 6 5 30 5 2 10 10 pi, and pi is 3.14. So that will be what? 31.4 radian per second. 31.4 radian per second. 31.4 radian per second. Okay, let us proceed. So A and B is the unknown plane. Unknown mass is in the plane A and B. I have suggested that you have to take one of the unknown plane as a reference plane. You take this as a reference plane. The distance measured right to the reference plane is taken as positive, and the distance measured left to the reference plane is taken as negative. So all the plane is right to the reference plane, so all the distance will be positive. Now complete this table. Here is the plane. So plane ACDB, their masses are MA, and you have to calculate what mass should be balanced in C and D. So let us calculate. So mass to be balanced at crank pin per cylinder. So this is what total rotary, that is what 160 kg plus 2/3 of reciprocating, that is what 180. So how much you are getting this? This is what 160 plus this is 120. So this is you are getting 280 kg. So 280 kg mass should be balanced at the cylinder. So 280 and 280. This is two cylinders. Cylinder 1 and 2. So 280 kg mass should be balanced at the crank pin of cylinder. Total rotary plus 2/3 of the reciprocating. Mass should be balanced at the cylinder. So this is what 280. So what is their masses? MA 280, and the mass in the plane B is MB. Their radius are 0.8, 0.3, 0.3, 0.8. Same thing is written here. Now, you find out the centrifugal force, that is what mr omega square, but omega square being common in all the analysis, so we are leaving that. We are not neglecting, we are leaving because that will get cancelled out. So from whole analysis, we are leaving the omega square. So just you are calculating m into r. So 0.8, just you multiply this both. So similar procedure we are adopting as we have done for the rotary balancing now. Okay, so this is 84 and a 0.8 ma. Now distance of the plane from the RP. So distance of the plane A itself is at the RP, so will be 0. For the C this will be 0.4. For the D this will be 0.4 plus 0.7, that is 1.1. And for B this will be 1.5. Now how to get the couple? Just to multiply this force into distance from the RP, that is mr into L. Just to multiply, so 0 into this 0, 84.4, that is 33.6, 84 into 1.1, 92.4. So similarly, you have completed the table and you have done the calculation in the table. Okay. Now, what is the next job? Next job is to draw the couple or force polygon to get the magnitude and angular position of balancing mass A and B. Balancing mass A and B. So let us start. First, let us guess that which should be drawn first. So this will be decided by that what are the number of unknowns. So look at here. The C and D is completely known in magnitude and as well as in direction. Look at here. This is the 0 and this is the third one, B. So you don't know about the B, only you know that this is 1.2 MB. So you don't know anything about B, not the magnitude, not its angular position. So look at here, in the couple polygon is drawn from here and the force polygon is drawn from this column. So in the couple polygon there are only one unknown. So first we draw the couple polygon. Look at here, in the force polygon there are two unknown. Sorry, this is not the unknown, this is the unknown. So there are two unknown. So you have to draw first a couple polygon to get the value of MB in magnitude and the direction. Then you go for the first polygon. So first I am going to draw couple polygon. So you have to take some suitable scale. I have solved this problem by taking some scale. You can take your own scale, but what I am taking here also. I have taken 10 kg meter square. 10 kg meter square. 10 kg meter square is equal to 1 centimeter. This scale I am going to take. You can take your own convenience scale. Now let us draw. So this is 0. Now C. C is what in this direction? So what will be the direction of this 33.6? That will be radially outward. So from here you draw a vector radially outward. That is what? How much? In scale 33.6. So this is what? 33.6. Now you draw this 92.4. Now you draw, suppose this is the origin, this is A dash. This is say that is O dash, A dash. Now 92.4, that is what? D. D is in this direction, so radially outward. So draw in scale 92 point something. So suppose this is a 92 point something, 92.4. Now this is the closing side. So closing side will be the unknown. Closing side will be the unknown. In the same sequence you have to go. So this is what in magnitude and the direction. This is what? 1.2 EMB. Say this is what C dash. So in magnitude and the direction, the closing side will be the unknown. That is 1.2 MB. 1.2 MB. Now this 1.2 MB is equal to O dash C dash, O dash C dash into scale. O dash C dash into scale, or this 1.2 MB is equal to, let us measure what is the value of O dash C dash. So I am getting 9.8. In my scale I am getting this into centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10. So from here you are getting unknown mass MB is equal to 81.66 kg. Look at here, this is exactly similar condition is here and here, because this is the wheel of the train. So that are exactly similar. Mass of both the wheel are same, that cylinder are same, reciprocating mass are same. Each and everything is symmetrical. So whatever will be the balancing mass in plane A, similar magnitude will be in B. So also this will be equal to MA. So balancing mass MA and MB is equal to 81.66 kg. 81.66 kg. So both the unknown mass in plane and will be same due to the symmetry. Now, so here you draw a line which is parallel to this, So I am drawing this line. So this is what? Parallel to this line. So this is showing the direction of what? Mass B. So this is what mass in the plane B. So when you measure this angle, you will find that angle is 250 degree. What you will get? That angle as 250. Just by measurement you can get this value is 250 degree. Okay. Now you draw the force polygon. Now let us draw the force polygon. Draw the force polygon by taking some suitable scale. So now I am going to draw the force polygon. Take a suitable scale. So what scale I have taken? I have taken 10 kg meter is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 kg meter is equal to 1 centimeter. So in this scale, we have solved the problem. You can take your own convenience scale. Now, let us proceed and draw this. So you have got this one. Sorry, this is not MA, this is MB. So you have calculated the value of MB. Here also you know the MA, but you don't know what is the direction. So that is what unknown, but this is not unknown. This is known because direction of B you have got, and also you have got the magnitude of MB. How much you have got? 81.66 says. So when you multiply, point it into this 81.6. So how much you are getting? You are getting this is equal to 65.33. 65.33. 65.33. Okay, let us draw. So this is unknown. Let us leave. So first you start from here. 84. So in scale you have to draw. This is water. 84. Say this is O. Say this is A. So this is water. 84. Then you draw the D. What is the direction of D? Vertically upward. In scale you have to go vertically upward. This is how much? Same 84. Same 84. So this is what 84. Say this is B. Now you draw this B because you know the magnitude and also you know its direction. So that force will be radially outward. So from here you have to draw parallel to this line. Parallel to this line and equal to the magnitude, this 65.3. So this is what says C and this will be 65.33. Now all these three you have drawn and this is the unknown and that is remaining. So that closing side will be the unknown. Closing side will be the unknown. So this closing side, so that will be little bit, suppose this O is here, this O is here, then you will get some different direction. Actually direction is different. You join this. So this closing side will be 0.8 EMA. That closing side will be 0.8 MA. So already you have calculated the value of MA. If you calculate from here, you will get the same whatever I have calculated. I have told that MB is equal to MA. Same thing you will get here. If you calculate this, 0.8 MA is equal to OC into scale. Again you get value of MA is equal to 81.66 kg. Because I know that due to symmetry, the mass of balancing in plane A and B will be same, that is 81.66 kg. But you have got the direction. Already you know the magnitude, but you have got the direction. So when you draw this parallel line, parallel to this from here, you will get this one. So this is what? This is balancing mass A. And when you measure this direction, you will get this is equal to 201 degree. By the measurement you can get. So you see that you have calculated the balancing mass in the driving wheel plane A and B, and also you have got their angular position. So I think you have answered all the thing. Okay. And similarly, you can also do the calculation like the variation of tractive force. You can calculate the tractive force, swaying couple or hammer blow. You can calculate. That is what the analytical thing. Just you put the value in the formula and get the answer. You will get the ready answer. So that they are not asking in this question, but you can calculate as a homework. So thank you very much.